This method is for extracting drugs and metabolites from hydrolyzed urine. The sorbent is first wetted by aspirating and dispensing conditioning solvent. Aspirate the sample solution and mix with the sorbent. The analytes of interest will bind to the sorbent. Dispense the sample solution. Aspirate and dispense the solution a second time to ensure high recoveries. Wash the sorbent by aspirating and dispensing water. This step removes salts, urea, and creatinine. Elute the compounds of interest by aspirating and dispensing organic solvent. Simply dilute with water, or solvent evaporate and reconstitute the solution in LC mobile phase.